Hello, and welcome to another video from the Windows 95 guy. Today we'll be installing Microsoft Windows Server 2003 on my homemade server. So let's get into it. I wanted to update my server for a while. This thing right now has Windows XP Pro. It's just a random hard drive out of the hard drives I have in here. Probably four. Is it four? I have three or four hard drives, so a significant amount, and none of them are very big. What is this one here? This is 63 gigabytes, 111. That one won't tell me. I think there might be. I think that might be my. I don't even know. My server has a lot of issues. One of the things being it's not a server right now, it's just a tower with two monitors. I've always wanted a multi-monitor setup for a long time, so I have this going. It's not too beautiful in my opinion. This monitor here runs at 70 Hertz, this one runs at 60 Hertz, so there's like a problem with them whenever they're next to each other. It kind of makes it flicker. So here we are, my beautiful, beautiful server. We got some, what are these? Well, that's what my speakers are. So they're just chilling up there. This is my tower. It's an ASUS tower. That is your model. Well, it doesn't say. That's fine. It's got a Pentium 4. It has a Zip 100 disk. It's a Zip 100, so that's just some extra storage. Only 100 megabytes, but it's not too bad. I got floppy. Oh, that's my MIDIs. Audiology sound card. It's got a kind of a little bit of everything, disk drive, but I don't have my drivers on here for this, otherwise it would show up in there. I don't have internet at this house either. You'll remember I was talking, well, you won't remember because the video's not out yet. Whenever I drop my video about my go-kart, I'll reference this guy here, Ren. I don't know if I ever say his name. This is the guy that got killed on a go-kart last year. So went to his funeral service and I got one of these things that stuck it on here. Yeah, good kid. Known him for a long time. It's tragic for anybody. So we'll have to start with turning off the computer. Once again, like I said, there's no driver in Windows for the CD drive, so I gotta turn that off. Wow, this is really flickering. Alright, let me get my disk in the drive. Yeah, it's a CD drive. So server 2003, release 2, Service Pack 3 is the version I'm using. Yeah, that's a mouthful to say. Put that in the disk drive. It comes on 2 discs, 700 megs each. Restart. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll restart it. And I gotta check and make sure the BIOS can support my CD drive and stuff. So while that's shutting down, see how that goes. Is it really 12:30? Oh, this clock's behind. That's alright. Yeah. Okay. I gotta check the BIOS here. It's one of these two. Yeah, there we go. You'll see here, this one's getting all garbled. It's because this is a 70 Hertz monitor, even though it's supposed to be 60. Somehow became 70 after a while. Weird issue. And it does not like anything 60 Hertz. So unless it's on 70, it garbles like that. Not fun. Not fun. No mouse, and that's so stupid. It detects the drive, so that's a good thing. Let's see. Boot device priority first. I want to make that DVD before the drive, so let's No. Why did I make the floppy last? That's not what I wanted. That's what I'm missing here. Okay. All BIOSes are a little bit different, I guess. So it should boot to the drive, CD drive now. Or port copy dyne monitor. Ooh, okay. Wanted to boot from the CD this time. That is a good sign. Ooh, can you stop focusing, please? There we go. Turn off autofocus. So it's got to load all its drivers and junk. Installing my network, which I don't have. I have absolutely no network connection here. Yet. It's completing the installation. That's awesome. Good deal. Good deal. It is completed. And now it wants me to set up things, so I'm gonna set that up because I am out of tape here, so I'm gonna just insert my tape. So the server is done now, and this is it set up. I got both monitors going here, and CD drive works. I have sound drivers installed for the Audiology sound, and also the NVIDIA video card drivers on. So everything's here, and I have all of my server stuff installed that I really need, so it's pretty well set. I'm pretty happy with what my results are right now. So that was my server setup video, and you'll have another video hopefully soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.